Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use zoom effect in CapCut. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. At the first, you should go to the CapCut and choose your project. Now click Effects, Video Effects, and the search bar, search zoom. There are different zoom effects here and you can use them. For example, I use slow zoom to show you. You can change the time of the effect. For adjust the position of zoom effect, you should click the zoom and hold it. Now you can change the position of your zoom effect like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.